1. The tire pressure and tread check. Start with your tires, because they're the single most neglected safety system on your entire vehicle. Grab a tire pressure gauge, they cost about $5, and check all 4 tires, plus your spare, once a month. Underinflated tires don't just wear out faster, they quietly kill your fuel economy and put extra stress on your suspension, which is a repair that runs into the hundreds of dollars. While you're down there, do the penny test. Take a penny, turn Lincoln's head upside down, and stick it into your tire grooves. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is too worn, and you're one rainy morning away from losing control. This check costs you nothing but 2 minutes, and it can prevent a blowout that could total your car, or worse. 2. The oil level and color check. Pop the hood, find the dipstick, pull it, wipe it clean, and reinsert it fully. Pull it back out and look at 2 things, the level and the color. It should sit between the 2 marks, and it should look amber or light brown, not black, not gritty, and definitely not milky, which can signal a coolant leak into your engine. This 30-second check is the closest thing to a free insurance policy against the most expensive repair your car can suffer, total engine failure. Regular oil checks alone have been shown to extend engine life by well over 100,000 miles compared to engines that were neglected. 3. The coolant level check. Only check this when your engine is completely cold. Never open a hot radiator cap. Look at the plastic overflow tank near your radiator. It'll have min and max lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct coolant type for your vehicle. Running low on coolant is how a $15 top-off turns into a $3,000 head gasket replacement, because your engine overheats and warps metal that was never designed to bend. 4. The battery terminal check. Look at your battery terminals. If you see a white, ashy, or greenish crust building up, that's corrosion, and it's slowly choking the electrical connection your entire car depends on. A wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water will clean that off in minutes. Left alone, corrosion leads to no-start mornings, usually on the exact day you can least afford to be late. 5. The belt and hose inspection. With the engine off and cool, look at the rubber hoses and belts under your hood. Squeeze the hoses gently. They should feel firm, not soft or spongy, and there should be no cracking or bulging. Run your fingers along the serpentine belt and look for cracks, fraying, or a shiny glazed look. These parts are inexpensive to replace proactively, but if a belt snaps while you're driving, it can take your power steering, your alternator, and even your engine cooling down with it, all at once, on the side of the road. 6. The air filter check. Your engine air filter is usually behind a black plastic box under the hood, held shut by a couple of clips. No tools needed. Pop it open, pull the filter out, and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light coming through it, it's clogged with dust and debris, and it's silently strangling your engine's performance and fuel economy. A replacement filter costs around $15 and installs in under a minute. Leaving a dirty one in place for years can contribute to costlier engine issues down the line. 7. The wiper blade and washer fluid check. This one seems minor until you're driving through a downpour at highway speed with zero visibility. Run a finger along your wiper blade edge. If it feels cracked, brittle, or leaves streaks, replace it. It's a 5-minute, no-tools job. Then top off your washer fluid reservoir. This isn't just about comfort. Poor visibility during a storm is one of the most preventable causes of accidents on American roads. 8. The brake pad visual check. You don't need to remove your wheel for this. Just look through the gaps in your wheel spokes and find the brake pad pressed against the metal rotor. If the pad looks thinner than a 1/4 inch, or if you've been hearing a high-pitched squeal when you brake, it's time to get it looked at. Catching worn pads early means a routine pad replacement. Ignoring the warning sound means grinding metal on metal, which turns a simple part swap into a full rotor replacement, often 5 times the cost. 9. The dashboard warning light check. Every time you start your car, your dashboard briefly lights up every warning icon as a self-test. Pay attention to which lights turn off and which ones stay on. That's your car quite literally trying to talk to you before a problem becomes expensive. A tire pressure light, a battery light, a temperature warning, these are early alerts, not background noise. The habit of glancing at your dashboard for 3 seconds every single morning is one of the cheapest diagnostic tools you will ever own, and it's already built into your car. 10. The undercar leak check. Once a month, before you back out of your driveway, take 30 seconds and look at the ground where your car was parked overnight. Clear water is normal. That's just your air conditioning condensation. But a colorful puddle, pink, green, amber, or dark brown, is a fluid leak, and it's telling you exactly where to look before the problem grows. Catching a small transmission or coolant leak early might mean a simple seal replacement. Ignoring it means driving on borrowed time until that system fails completely, usually on a highway, usually at the worst possible moment. Segment 3. Why this routine protects more than your wallet. Here's the bigger picture. Your car isn't just a machine. It's the backbone of your daily routine. It's how you get your paycheck, how your kids get to school, how you make it to the appointment you can't reschedule. Every single one of these 10 checks takes less time than it takes to make your morning coffee. But skip them for long enough, and you're not just risking a repair bill. You're risking a missed shift, a canceled weekend, a stressful call to a tow truck company while you're already running late for something that mattered. The families and workers who stay ahead of these small checks aren't the ones with more money to spend on cars. They're the ones who've simply built a 10-minute habit into their week, the same way you'd check your phone battery before leaving the house. That's the entire secret. Small, consistent attention beats expensive, reactive panic every single time. Call to action. So here's your challenge. This weekend, before you do anything else with your car, run through these 10 checks. Print them out, save this video, put a reminder in your phone, whatever it takes to make it a habit. Because the difference between the person who pays $15 for an air filter and the person who pays $4,000 for an engine repair usually isn't luck. It's whether they took 10 minutes on one ordinary Saturday to actually look. If this helped you, share it with someone who's had a rough year with car trouble. It might save them thousands. And if you want more simple, at-home ways to protect your car, your schedule, and your wallet, make sure you're subscribed, because there's a lot more where this came from.